This whole egg mayonnaise recipe is quick, easy, and takes only 5 simple ingredients to make. It's way better than store-bought, super creamy, and guys, it's even quicker to make this than reaching over on the shelf and buying it at your shops. There are 2 different ways to make this recipe. You can use a food processor, and if you are using that, you're going to be adding the oil slowly, not all at once. But an even quicker way to make it is using a stick blender. If you're using a stick blender, add all of the ingredients, the egg, canola or vegetable oil, garlic powder and salt, and the lemon juice to a tall glass, and you're going to use the stick blender to literally just blend it. In seconds, guys, this is going to turn into mayonnaise. And the great thing about this recipe is you can use so many different ingredients to turn this into different flavors. One of my favorite things to turn this into is a honey mustard dipping sauce. So if you add some honey and mustard, I'm using English mustard, you mix it together, it is like the ultimate chicken tenders dipping sauce. You can even put it in wraps, you can use it in so many different ways. This is a really basic recipe, but I think so many people don't know how easy it is to make. So the recipe for this is on my website, thescranline.com. The link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line. Bye.